Hello everyone, this is Dr. Subhash Chetri and welcome to Child Health Education. This is a channel in which I impart health education knowledge about children to parents in common man's term. I also have a website called childhealtheducation.net in which I write blog articles regarding children's health. In this video, I am going to talk about when a child with fever can be managed safely at home and when we have to visit hospital. Because of the corona pandemic, it is essential that we stay at home as much as possible. But at the same time, we have to know when we must show a child with fever at hospital so that serious ailments can be managed in time and at the right place. First of all, what is fever? It is very important question because often I see parents bringing their child saying the child has temperature of more than 98.7, 98.9 and saying it is fever. But that is not fever. Oral temperature is 1 degree Fahrenheit more than armpit temperature, and if we have Celsius thermometer, oral temperature is more than 0.5 degree Celsius than armpit temperature. Fever is defined as oral temperature of more than 100 degree Fahrenheit or more than 38 degrees Celsius. Similarly, if we are taking temperature in the armpit, fever is more than 99 degree Fahrenheit or more than 37.5 degree Celsius. Now, why fever occurs? Fever is nothing but normal response to an abnormal stimulus. The abnormal stimulus might be infection with viruses, bacteria and other organisms. Fever is a protective mechanism. Because of the infection with the virus or bacteria, there is release of lot of chemicals inside the body which raises our body temperature. Because of the chemicals, the temperature of the body is increased. Now, fever by itself is harmless and fever is a symptom, not a disease. Unless the temperature becomes more than 105 degree Fahrenheit or more than 40 degrees Celsius, fever by itself is harmless and such an occurrence is extremely rare. Now, when we can treat a child with fever at home safely? If we do not have these criteria, then fever can be managed safely at home, and absence of this criteria is much more common than presence. Number one, if the child is less than 6 months old, you must bring the child with fever to the hospital. If the fever has been present for 3 to 4 days or more, if it is high grade fever. Now what is high grade fever? Very often parents say the child is very hot and they say it is high grade fever, or the temperature is more than 101 degrees Celsius and it is fever. High grade fever is defined as oral temperature more than 102 degree Fahrenheit or 39 degrees Celsius, or armpit temperature more than 101 degree Fahrenheit or 38.5 degrees Celsius. This alone is high grade fever. Pain during urination or pain at a specific joint or specific muscle. This gives us information that there is infection at that particular site. If the baby or the child is passing urine less, if he has been vomiting repeatedly, not 1 or 2 episodes, if the child has been sleeping most of the time, if there is a bleeding from a particular site, or if the child is having some long-term illness or chronic illness like disease of the liver, kidney, lung or heart, if the child is immunocompromised or having disease which causes immunocompromise or is on medicines which causes immunocompromise. These medicines are steroids or anti-cancer agents. If these criteria are there, you have to bring the child to the hospital. Now, when a child with fever has to be brought to emergency, if there is fits or seizures, if the child is unresponsive or not passing urine at all, if the child is breathless, if he has been vomiting repeatedly, which may cause dehydration, if there is bleeding from multiple sides. And lastly, I want to say that if you are worried, then whatever be the situation, you bring the child to us. We are always happy to see our patients. Now, at last, I want to say that the number for emergency is 111 or 108 in most of the Indian states. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. If you want some specific topic to be discussed, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.